Good morning, second grade, and April Fool's Day. I always like to play jokes on my students last year, and I was going to do it for you guys this year, but obviously that's not happening. But last year, the joke was I brought a pan of brownies to school, and when I opened it up for the students, they weren't like edible. They weren't brownies that you could eat, edible brownies. They were like an actual E that was brown. The kids didn't think it was very funny. They thought that I actually had brownies, and they were really excited for it. So today's joke is, what room doesn't have a door? You can answer by video, or you can answer just by putting it on the blog. My answer to the joke that I wrote in your note, it was, what do you call a sleeping dinosaur? And the answer was Dinosaurus. And then some of you asked me jokes, and I'm not sure what the answers are, and I won't look them up because that's cheating. So you'll have to either send me a video or send me a message and telling me what the correct answer is. Spencer, yours was, what do you call a turtle crossing the road? And I said a slowpoke. Reed, yours is my favorite because we all know this is my favorite joke. What do you call cheese that does not belong to you? We all know that one, nacho cheese. And Miss Bernie B, your joke was, why did the apple get sent to jail? And my answer is because the apple fell from the tree. I don't know. That was an awful answer, but I really don't know. That's a good one too. You guys have some good jokes. Today in math, you are solving word problems. Read carefully. Make sure you show that work. Even if you're doing other things, this is good practice. You will do word problems all the way up through high school. So word problems is a good thing to practice no matter what. For an extra activity, make your own word problem. Make it a 2-step word problem. Send it to me and I will try to solve it. Bonus if you can stump me. Reading. Read and complete the questions below about irregular plural nouns. We talked about plural nouns. It's when you add S or ES to the end of the word. But there are some you cannot, like man. Man's doesn't sound right. Or child. Child's doesn't sound right. So that's when we have to change the whole word. I made a poster because we all know I like posters. So, for example, man become men. Person become people. Mouse becomes mice. Child becomes children. Foot become feet. Goose becomes geese. So the worksheet's really easy. If you want to extended lessons, do a poster like me and come up with your own and share it. Science, complete the describing properties worksheet with the properties of various objects. Again, that is not something we really went over in class. If you want to skip one, that's fine. If you want to try it out, great. Social studies, read about the tribe from the Eastern Woodlands and answer the questions below. We did this. We did a whole quarter on Native Americans. Remember, you each picked your own and did a research topic on it. Choose a nonfiction book to read independently or with a parent or sibling for 10 minutes. Find the table of contents and choose a topic that you enjoyed. Write 3 to 5 facts that you learned from the section. If you don't have a nonfiction book at home, that's fine. Go to YouTube. YouTube has many of them, and just have them read it to you. I think that is it for the day. Enjoy the day. Those of you who have written me, I will be writing back here shortly. We've been enjoying outside time, so we have been busy. Next week, I'm hoping to do Zoom. I cannot do Zoom with you until you and your parents fill out that survey and send it back. So have them do it. Remember, if you can't do Zoom, that's fine. You can watch the videos afterwards. If there's a day you can't do Zoom, that's fine. It's not a must. It's just another way to connect with you guys. I will do different times of Zoom. That way, if morning's good for some of you, I can do some of you in the morning. And if some of you are better in the afternoon, I can do it in the afternoon. After you fill out that worksheet, I'm going to give some times and have you and your parents decide what time is best. And then that's where we'll go. Next, so you guys have been identifying money. Next week, we're going to work on counting money. This is a huge skill for 4th quarter. We're going to do it together. It's not something you have to be tested on, but I definitely think it's something you're going to need, and it's a life lesson. So I know some of you have been counting money at home, and that's great, but you've been counting money in groups of like quarters and in groups of dimes and the groups of nickels, but we've got to combine them. So I might give you a quarter and 3 dimes and 2 nickels and a penny, and you need to count them and tell me how much they are. It's a harder concept because you have to go from 25 to 10 to 5 to 1. So we'll do that together. We'll start slow. We'll do it. I'll give you guys some activities for extra work. Again, not anything that you have to do. But money is a concept that we need. It's something you're going to use your whole life. So I feel like that's very important. I hope you guys have a great day. It's going to be cooler today, but it's definitely sunny out, so enjoy it. I miss you guys. Enjoy the day. I got to see some of you yesterday when I dropped off books. It was very exciting to see your faces. If you need books, please let me know. I sent pictures of some books. I know there are more girly, but I have some boy books coming from some friends. So if you need some, please let me know. Have a great day. No dancing today. Sorry, I don't have a Wednesday song. If you guys find a Wednesday song, send it to me and I'll dance. I thought about some Go Noodle dances, but they're quite long. Maybe we will get to it later this week, or maybe we can dance together if we start Zooming. All right. Have a great day, guys. Bye.